Welcome back to Dhara Education. Myself Saboni Dhara, and I know that you all were waiting for this video because this video is something interesting for all those students, those who are going to appear for the board exams. So students, after the second lockdown, how to prepare for the board exams? Yes, there is a very big question in the minds of the students who are going to prepare for their board exams. They are actually very much tense about their board semesters and etc. So don't worry about it, because if you watch this video till the end, you will come to know what to do for your board exams. So let's begin. I would like to divide board preparations into two important and equal parts. The first part, which consists of physical preparation, and the another part which consists of mental preparations. So physical preparation means what? It means that you have to develop a strong physics for your health to achieve excellent marks. Not only in board tip for physical preparation is early to bed, early to rise. You need to fix the timing for getting up early in the morning as well as to sleep at night on time. The second tip for physical preparation is walking. Yes, walking is the best medicine for keeping your health at fit. The third tip for physical preparation is meditation or yoga. Yes, meditation and yogasanas will keep and enhance the students' energy level and also for the peaceful mind. The fourth tip for physical preparation is to have complete meal and avoid junk foods. And the last fifth tip for physical preparation is to take out your time for yourself first, for the preparation of your studies, for any kind of enjoyment and refreshment. It's very much important for every individual to take out time for themselves, to know themselves first. So that's why it is a golden tip for physical preparation. Take out time for yourself and for the studies as well, as per your comfortability. It was all about physical preparation. Now we will going to see what do you mean by mental preparation. So what do you mean by mental preparation? Mental preparation means it is one kind of an act to make yourself mentally prepared for the task, maybe for the task or maybe for your board exam. Tip for mental preparation is to focus. Yes, to focus on your targets. What will be the targets for the students? Of course, your percentage, your targeted percentage. Whatever you have scored in SSE, or you want to score in SSE or HSE or in your degree, board exams or any kind of exams, you need to set a target. Without target, you cannot prepare anything. So that's why the very first tip for mental preparation is your target. Second tip for mental preparation is to visualize. Yes, you need to visualize your future and predicted percentage. If you will going to visualize your own performance, you will do that for sure in present. So that's why visualizing or to imagine that you are doing well is the best and a positive mindset for all the students to hit that. The third tip for mental preparation is to practice. The very well said that practice makes man perfect, but perfect practice will definitely going to make you to score a very good marks in boards. So that is why a perfect practice is must. So the very fourth tip for mental preparation is to solve all the board exam questions. You need to collect or sum up all the questions which is already asked in the board exams and frequently asking questions. You need to do that So this is the fourth tip for mental preparation. And the fifth tip for mental preparation is controlling. So what do you mean by controlling? Controlling means to handle critical situation in the exam. It means that you have to prepare for the optional chapters as well as for the optional questions also. If in case in the examination you are unable to answer that particular theory or a practical sums, so what do you need to do? You need to go for another option of the question. So for that optional chapters also, you need to learn, you need to revise. So this is what called controlling. This was all about physical and mental preparations beforehand for the board exams. And I hope so you all have watched this video till the end and you got the concept, and it should be implemented also in your life and score a very good marks. Please subscribe my channel Dhara on Tube, wherein I'm going to upload Dhara education, tricks and tips for your board exams, writing skills, knowledge and also grammar syllabus. As well as I have already uploaded few of the comedy vines wherein you all have subscribed and commented and liked my videos. So I will be uploading comedy vines as well for your entertainment. And don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and family too, and also comment positively for my appreciation. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do take care of yourself and your family too. And don't forget to wear your mask and keep distance, carry sanitizer and take care of everybody. Thank you.